Hi everybody, this product is going to be great for you if you're a DJ, a podcaster, or somebody that just wants to sound good on YouTube videos. Hi, Kevin Kavanagh is my name. I've been a DJ for over 25 years and worked in some local broadcasting online as well. And one of the great things about what we did, when we did inside the studio, is that we used good quality microphones like the N2 Rode microphone, which gave us a punchy sound on the radio. Did you ever hear that punchy, clear, crystal sound? Well, that's because of the microphone. And in fact, what I'm recording today is coming from that exact microphone. So the sound that you're hearing today is coming from the N2. This is the mic here. Now, if I move this up, you might be able to see. I'm just going to take off the pop at the top. There you go. Okay, so this is the N2. You can quite clearly see it there. It's a great microphone. It's great for people who are podcasting or doing voiceovers or doing YouTube videos. Now, there's nothing worse than you actually coming along and seeing a YouTube video and you know the quality of the sound is just poor and it's purs people off, and they basically, they can't even hear what's being said. So it's always good to have a good clear microphone that you can actually speak into with clarity, punctuation, and people that can actually hear you without all hissing or anything like that going on. So this is like something that I've used before. I really like the mic, and I just wanted to do a quick review of it because I seen it on Amazon and I thought, hey, this is because I use it. I'm going to show you guys exactly a little bit about it. Okay, so as we go through this on Amazon here, you can see there's slight adjustments here for the actual microphone. These are settings that you can set for yourself. There's lots of technical detail. If you're interested in technical detail, technical side of things with these settings, it comes with it inside the Rode microphone, and you can go through them at your own pace, and you can adjust it accordingly to your output or what you're doing, whether that's in a band or whether it's voiceovers. There's different settings on here for different one, so you can change that out yourself and you can adjust it accordingly to what you're doing. Now, if you do decide to pick up or purchase one of these Rode microphones, I've got a little bit of information for you, and that information is that you will see that there's a screw on the end here, and basically what this is a connection that you need to connect to a mixing desk, okay? Because this is a professional microphone, like in the radio studio, they are connected through a lead into a mixer, and therefore they compresses the sound and makes it really good, and as it comes out the other side. Now today, their Amazon are recommending that you pick it up like this, okay, as a bundle, and the reason for this is because I get it, because you do need to have a mixer of some sort for it to go through. Now, Amazon are recommending the microphone with this particular one here, this mixer here. Now, it can be any particular mixer. It doesn't have to be this one here, okay? It can be any one at all. I'm going through, I'm running this Rhodes through a Bose mixing desk, and that gives me more settings. It gives me more control over what I do with the sound output from the microphone. I can control the bass, the treble, the EQ. There's lots of different settings on there that I can use to get this microphone to sound the way it does to you today, okay? So they're recommending this one here. So let's have a quick look at this here. This is one that they recommend. Okay, you can go through at your own pace, but again, you do need to have it coming through a mixing desk of some sort, and this is the one that they're recommending. They're changing, technology is changing all the time, so everybody has different needs for different things, but this is actually the microphone input section, okay, because they're using this cable that's going into the mixer itself, okay. There's obviously settings here, gain and different settings as well that you can do and monitor, okay. Again, they're saying that this one actually can go into the laptop, which is cool. Okay. And that way you can do a sound recording from there, which is really cool and handy. So you can use it for guitars, voiceovers, you name it. You need a mixing desk to get this quality sound to come out. Okay. All right. So if you're purchasing it, you need that. It doesn't matter whether it's this one or another one. Another good thing to pick up, by the way, is a stand. It's always good to have a stand because that gives you the hands-free option, and then you can go hands-free like that. Okay. You're more control. You're just dynamic. You don't have to be worrying about the microphone. It's going to stay in one position. So that's very, very useful indeed. So you can pick that up as well if you wish to do so. Okay. But and again, you can go with this brand or you can go with a different brand, but make sure that it fits on, which is also important. Okay, so there are the two additional items that you can pick up along the way. The N2 has been great for me. I've been using it to do voiceovers. I was using it to do DJ work as well, and do that radio work as well that we always like to do in the studio. Okay, so it's a really, really good robust microphone. There's other ones out there in the marketplace now as well that are coming along and equally as good, but I've just found that the N2-A has been spectacular. It's robust. I have it years. It's still on the marketplace. It's still very well priced as well with Amazon as well. If you get it through Amazon, I'll leave a link below the video here. Just let you a big shout out, just to let you know that I am an affiliate for Amazon, but I use this product myself. I can speak with confidence and give that recommendation that is honest and ethical. Okay. Because it's something we use. So it comes in a box like this. We have the lead here, which connects from the microphone here to the mixer, which we were talking about, and usually comes with a kind of a stabilizer. I don't have the stabilizer on the microphone here today because there was no need, and that prevents you, if you knock off it, it'll keep it in place. You can see a picture and image of it here. This is a filter pop as well, which enables you to, when you say those words, and kind of words, there's a hiss in the word. Well, it helps you with that, suppress that, and to keep that down, which is really good and useful because people don't hear that then, they just hear what you're saying. Overall, you can compare some of the other microphones as well if you want to do that. Overall, I have to say, for the price point it is $349, it's an excellent professional microphone, a condenser studio microphone. If you want something that's that's going to give you the punch, or something that you want to do within a studio, these are the ones that you'll hear the radio stations use and stuff like that. Podcasters are beginning to use them now as well because it gives them that kind of authority sound in relation to what they're doing. Okay, and here's some of the settings, the product description. You can go through all these. If you just have a look through this, I'll leave the link below and you just go directly there, and you can actually go through that at your own pace. Okay, it even tells you about the weight of the item, the dimensions. If you're into all the data and everything like that, there's a lot of data here in relation to it. There's a model number here, there's an ASIN number, there's where to find it, which is underneath the musical instruments section. See the top 100 musical instruments. It's ranked at 435. I wouldn't really worry about that. They don't have a lot of detail on the site here because the people who know about this, microphone, they know about the smoothness of it, they know that it sounds good, they know that it's a condenser mic, and they know a lot about it, the volume and everything about Rhodes. I mean, you just gotta, once you know about Rhodes, you know that they're good quality. I wouldn't worry about anything else. It's always good to have a look through the reviews as well, because when you're down about the reviews, it's always good, I think, to get feedback from customers who have purchased it. It's always good. So what it does here is out of the rankings here, there's 4.5 out of 5, 4.7 actually out of 5. So that's a very, very good rating. 700 odd ratings on that, which is good. But if you want to find out a bit more detail about it, you can actually go through that as well. It's good for the personal computer. It's silver in color. It's cordless power source, cordless corded electric, yeah, corded, not cordless, which is something to note. And again, you can just kind of go through some of the reviews here. What we got here, very good 4-star rating. And there's always going to be, once you get people and electrics, I can tell you, there's always going to be somebody that has got something negative to say. You know, this has got it's a bang for your buck. Great sound quality, 5 out of 5, excellent. Just minor glip, pros and cons. It's always good to read about them as well. Somebody excellent again, excellent, 1 star here. He got a refurbished one. Okay, I can understand that if it's, you know, and was replaced as soon as possible. Well, fair enough, you know. That's fair enough. If I wasn't happy, I'd send it back to, you know. But there you go. That's the overall reviews. All round robust microphone. Really, really worthwhile. Good investment if you're thinking about doing podcasting, or you're in a band, or you're a DJ, or you just want to sound that much more professional when you're doing voiceovers. Excellent product. Okay, so with that, I'll leave a link below. There's also a video here which goes into a bit more technical detail how to use the microphone, which is always good to look at. I'll leave a link below this video here, and if you're using one already, I'd love to hear what way you use the mic. Was it for podcasting? Is it for singing? Is it for voiceovers? Let us know. Love to get a bit of feedback from you. And if you have any other questions I can help you out with, please feel free to ask them. And with that said, have a great day. The link will be below the video. And once again, I am an Amazon associate, so I will get a very small commission based off the sale of the product. It won't interfere with anything that you're doing. It's just that legally I have to say that within the video. Okay, with that said, have a great day, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye for now.